Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to dance in Rust. All right. First up, you have to make sure that you have bought a particular DLC. All right. And as you can see here, we have three taunts and dances right here that we cannot use. Why? Because we will have to buy a particular DLC. All right. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go ahead over to my Steam app right here. Now go ahead over to Rust. Under DLC, as you can see here, when we scroll down, we have this option, which is voice props. I'm going to click on it, as if you don't have this one, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to dance in the game. Now, once you've bought this one, just go ahead and hit add to cart and continue with the payment process. And once done, go back to Rust or relaunch Rust. And once done, tap and hold B on your keyboard right here to pop up this wheel or selection wheel. Now, say for example, you have selected one in here. Just go ahead and click on left click or the left mouse button like this. That's basically how you do it. All right, another one. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.